Let's learn how to switch to a private Instagram account. If you no longer want everyone who visits your profile to see your posts or stories, but don't know how to set your account to private, after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. When you open Instagram, make sure you are logged into the account you want to set to private. Once Instagram is open, you'll be on the home screen. But you need to be on the screen where your profile is located. This screen will open when you click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. When this screen opens, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. After you click on these 3 lines, a screen with many options will open. But out of all these options, you only need one, and to find it, you need to scroll to the section labeled Who Can See Your Content. Once you've scrolled to this section, click on the first option in this section, which is Account Privacy. When you click on this, a screen with only one option will open, which is Private Account. The next thing you need to do is enable this option by clicking the button next to it. When you do this, your account will become private. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.